Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rajati from We All Learn Today.
In this video, we are going to discuss about Microsoft Word 2019. So these are the icons made by each year. So now at present, the version is 2019. So this video, we are going to discuss about 2019 Word. So these are the topics we are going to cover in this session. So first one, introductions and starting Word 2019 and how to create a document and editing and how to save and formatting and creating table and finally how to print a document. So first introductions. So Microsoft Word or MS Word, oftenly called Word, is a graphical word processing program that users can type with. It is made by computer company Microsoft. Its purpose to allow user to type and save documents. Similar to other word processor, it has helpful tools to make documents. So, uh, at now we are discuss about how to start our 2019. So, this is the steps. So, lively, I'm going to uh, show you how to open a Word document. So, first click window icon and type Word. So, this is what we see in the introductions. MS Word or Microsoft Word is also called as Word. So, when are going to click Word? So, this is the environment. So I'm just click blank document. Yeah, it was open. This is what how to start a Microsoft Word 2019. Okay, this is what I just given in the notes format. So next one is creating a document. This is what we seen. Okay, so as first in the WinKey key, just type Word and then click blank document. That's it. This is the process we have to create a document. So, and the another one thing is we can create a document in the two ways. So, first one is we can using by file, new and blank document. So, this is the first method. We can open the document or we can create the document. So, another one method is in the keyboard you have to press Control N. So, this is the shortcut key to create a new document. So, totally two ways we can create a document. So I just closed it. So next one is editing. Editing means it's nothing but you can add or delete content and do other things such as add tables and pictures, apply styles, edit headers and footers, download a copy, print. Text manipulation is nothing but copy paste, and text formatting is nothing but bold, italic and underline, and the text alignment is left, right, justify and center, and likewise numbering, bullets, line spacing, format painter and find and replace. This is what is nothing but fully about the home tab. Okay, exclusive, I just already uploaded video for home tab. If I will give the link in the description. If you want to clear in the details means you just refer the video. So now I just show how to edit the documents. So first one is add tables and pictures. So if you want to add a table means you have to go insert. So you can add table in this way, or else you can click insert table and you can specify the number of columns and number of rows here, and just after that click OK. Yeah, this is the way we have to create a table. So I have already posted another video like tips and tricks. In that video you should not need go for insert and tables. You can just press plus and hyphen, again plus hyphen and plus and hyphen plus. So just press enter. So this is the way you have to create another tips to create a table. Okay, so second one is add picture. So we can add picture by insert tab and picture. So you can using the online picture, or you can pick it up picture from your device. So you can click this device means you can pick any images from your local disk. So I think at present I don't have any pictures. Okay, so this is the way you can insert a picture. Okay, so the next one is applying styles. So you can apply styles. So for that you have to type anything you want. So you can apply the styles mean you can change the font style, and you can change the size also. So this is not restricted for 72. You can edit here. So you can give like 300. So you can give 750. Yeah, it's going on. So the 72 is not restricted one. So it's editable one. So you can give your own size. So another one is, so I can change the font style. Here we can increase the font size and we can decrease it. So this is change case. So we can use the sentence case alone. So which means the first letter alone capital letter. So another one is lowercase. All the characters will be smaller one. So the next one is uppercase. All the characters will be displayed in a capital letter. So another one is capitalized each word, which is nothing but the spacing. The after if you want to type something means the after space, its starting letter should be in capital letter, means you have to use this option. Okay, so toggle case. So the next one is we can use any of these styles for a better view. So if you want select this if you want this style you like, but you don't like the color means don't worry, you just pick this style and then select whole words, and then you can change the color. The style should not change, the colors will be changed. Okay, so the another one is edit header and footers. So it's nothing but you can add header and footer. So just go to insert, here header and footer. So you can select header and you can select footer. So otherwise you don't want to go the insert menu and file header and footer. So you just double click it in the upper, you have to double click it, the header will be available to edit. So just so give what you want, you can give here. So just scroll down here, you can give the footer. So footer may be the page number or date and time or document information, whatever you want. So you have to, you can click you can here we will change word 2019 tutorial. Here we can change the font style and color size, whatever it is we can change it. So this is header, and this one is footer, this one is header. Okay, so So next one is download a copy. So we can download a copy. So we can just select it and just copy. Here you can paste it. So next one is print. So print option is nothing but you have to go file and just click print. If you have connected your system with a printer via the USB cable or Wi-Fi means, you can directly go for the printing. So here you can mention the number of copies, and then here I already have a HP LaserJet professional printer, so that's why it's just shown here. So these are the materials you can print like a A4 sheet or A5 sheet. It's apart from your printer. Okay, so this is the way we can know how to print. So the another one is text manipulation. It's nothing but cut, copy and paste. So cut, copy, paste means, so you can copy and you can paste, and then you have to select whatever you want to do. Means first you have to select the text, so and then cut, and then here I want to paste it. So and then format paint, it's nothing but, so first of all I'm going to select it. So I'm going to clear all the formatting. So just click here. If I want to need a same style and same color, same font for this also means, you just click the formatted text and then click format painter and then paint here. So the changes will be applied here. This is what the use of the format painter. Okay, so text manipulation is over, and then text formatting, it's nothing but bold, italic and underline. So just select, already it's in the bold format, so now I'm going to bold and then italic and then underline. So in the underline we have additional object like options like double line, dark line, dotted line, dashed line, and then we can change the underline color also. And this one is strikeout. See, the selected test will be strikeout, and the subset and superset, it's called a subset, subscript, and it's called the superscript. In normally Word has additional features like, if you're writing third means, it's automatically go for the superscript. Here I'm not going to select rd, and then I'm not going for click subscript, sorry, superscript. Just type and give spacebar, it's automatically taken as a superscript. Okay, and then text alignment. So it's nothing but left, right, justify and center. Just select this one, or you have to place the cursor. This is center alignment, this is right alignment, and this is left alignment. If you want to clear about justify means, wait, I will equal here. See, the spaces here is, so the space here is same, but here it's not like a good one. So in this time we can use the justify. See, the both side is equal. So this is the way we can use while you're creating your project documentations. You have to use this justifications for your document for a pleasant way. Okay. So another one is, so spacing, line spacing. See, the spaces between two lines. So mostly we can use 1.5 during your project. Okay. The next one is, this is intent. Wait, I'm going to clear my page. So next one is numbers and bullets. So for this I have to write something. Mm, just type something and then change my font style and size. Okay. So now I'm going to create bulletins numbers here. So just select it and go for numbering. So it's called a numbering, and this is bulletin. So here you can change whatever bullets you want. So another one is you can define your own bullets also here. So here numbering, so you can specify 1 2 3 or in this format or ABC format or this format. Okay. So next one is intent. So this is intent increased, and here the decrease intent. So move your paragraph closer to the margin. This is nothing but increasing your intent. Okay. And this is shorting A to Z. So I think we are covering all those things. So this is highlighter. You can select the text and you can press highlight. So you can select whatever color you want. So next one is line spacing. Yeah, we already finishing this one, line spacing and the format painting, and find and replace. This one is in last one. So here find. So just click find, and here you just type here. I'm just searching the word BR. The result is two result is shown. One is here and the another one is header. So we can find whether the searching words or sentence is available in the document or not. Okay. So the replace is nothing but, so we have to find, here we have to give the word or sentence which is available in the document. Okay. So word is already available, so I'm going to give here as word. So I'm going to change this one as a Microsoft Word. So here the find what means, here you have to give the word or sentence which is available in the document. The here the replace with, here you can give whatever it is, uh, what you want to replace with. So you have to give here and just press replace all. See, all done. We made two replace. So two replacement is done. See, the word is changed as a Microsoft Word. The another one change is done here. So the changes will be affect both your current document as well as footer also. Okay. So we just I think we just completed all this one. So next we have to know how to save the document. So the first one we can see how to create a document, and then we are just going for how to formatting the text. It's nothing but editor. So how to make a table and how to add picture, and then how to format and how to use format painting and find and replace all those things we are just seen. But we have to know how to save the document. So this is what important process. So if you have to save means you can use it for the later. So lively I'm going to show you how to save. So this is my document. Okay. So see, the in normally which is started as document one, it's still it's not saved one. So I'm going to save. So you can save by two ways. The first one is click file and save. Here you can give the recent place, or you can change the select the folder. So you have to select the appropriate locations, then only you can. So give your name. This is our document, so no need to change anything. So just click save. So see, the document will be saved. So the first one is you have to know the saving locations, then only you can open it for the later. If you don't want to know where we have to save the locations, save the documents, it means it's difficult to find. Okay, so whenever you are going to save a document means you just causes about where we are going to save. So the first one is you have to file and save. This is the first method. The another one is you can use the shortcut method. Okay, so you can type anything means the editing after the saving is not done. So you have to click save button here, or else you can in the keyboard you have to press Ctrl S C. The word is saving. So the three So the three method is used to save. The first one is file, save, and then Control S, and then in the top you can click the save icon. So this is the saving procedure, and then formatting. So this is already we seen, right? How to select. So first of all you have to select the text. Whatever you are going to do means first you have to select. So select the text, and so this is method we already know. So okay, that we can change the font name, font size, color, and we already given the text bold, italic, and underline. Okay, this is the formatting, and this is the creating table. This is also we are see. Okay, so for basic table we have to click insert and go for the table, and the move cursor over the grid until you highlight the number of columns and rows you want. So this is nothing but you just go for insert and click table. So this is the highlighted grid. So this is the first one. So for larger table or customize a table, you have to insert table and insert table. It's nothing but insert table and the insert table if you want to customize for the more number of rows and columns. Okay. See, the table is nothing but intersection of rows and columns is called a tables. So this one is called a row and this one is called a this one is called a column and this one is called a row. Okay. And the printing a document, this is also we already seen. So for that we have to go for file and print, and you have to choose how many copies you want. So after that, after all the changes, you just click print button. So thank you for watching. This is the overall videos about Microsoft Word. If you want to know details about Nook and Corners means, you just subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you for supporting.